In a quiet valley, a lone student discovers how everyday observation becomes life-saving skill through nature-based education. They learn to read weather changes by watching cloud shadows and wind patterns, and to recognize edible plants without harm. Practical drills include signaling for help with improvised mirrors and building a simple shelter from nearby branches and leaves. The mentor insists on documenting micro-lessons of sunlight, water, and tracks, turning curiosity into resilience. This approach makes survival a dialogue with the wild that teaches responsibility, respect, and safety daily.